Hi everyone, this is Dr. Nishanujumudeen. So we at Unacademy Offline Center at Karol Bagh, for the very first time, it has come up with an exclusive free workshop on how to become an IAS officer in the very first attempt. This particular workshop will be conducted by India's top leading educators at Unacademy. So come and experience the realistic interaction with we educators and leading trainers and get to know the effective strategies on how to clear this examination in your very first attempt. This will be a 120-minute detailed discussion on various career opportunities of UPSC CSE. Apart from that, the basic concerns of UPSC as to what to do, what not to do, how to crack your examination without much of difficulty, what are the effective tips, tricks and strategies that you must keep in mind all throughout your preparation. All these will be discussed in a holistic manner. We at Unacademy is also focused in making sure that we are providing for the very first time a micro detailing of the prelims and main syllabus for all the aspirants who are attending this workshop. So why waiting? Get yourself enrolled by clicking the link below and make sure that you are not gonna miss this amazing opportunity, and that too offline. Apart from that, the very same workshop will also be streamed live in the Pathfinder YouTube channel. You can still watch it online and get yourself enrolled. So let's crack it, my aspirants. Thank you and Jai Hind.